walked into the story like maggots on meat. It's a blind, feeding frenzy of deceit. Syria is just another sad song. As Putin starved your cities, the West could care less. Killing browns is frowned upon, but when killing whites, it's time to fight. Fear, our only friend, fuels our hate. We sit in glee when we see a comet condemn a society to die a delusional death. Squatting in a box with no socks, Ukraine, you've gone insane. Why get hit by a train? Why fight for a few pennies flowing down the drain? What is there for you to gain? All you got is mice and lice. Why die fighting a fool's fantasy? And you, broken border brothers, how come your bloody finger is pulling the trigger? Bullets killing babies. Why dance the devil's dance? Peace is not born from a bullet in a barrel. Behind the palace wall, a coward commands killing another man. Brave warriors, sabotage this mirage. Disobey the kill command. Do what's right and stop this fight.